The F11PRO 2 Plus has 3 video cables, making it compatible with most smartphones. Check that the drone and remote are successfully connected. The F11PRO 2 Plus transmits video via digital transmission, no Wi-Fi required. Pull out the phone mount. 3 RC cables are included. Please select the appropriate one to connect your phone to the controller. Only the video transmission port works for image feed. The charging port won't transmit video. Make sure your phone is firmly secured. Connect the other end of the cable to your phone. Check that the phone is charging and follow prompts to finish setup. Open the correct app, Ruko Mini, not Ruko Fly, Ruko Drone, or Ruko Pro. Once the app opens, wait a couple of seconds, it will automatically take you to the control screen.